As a business owner or professional, do you wonder how your retirement income should be structured? You wonder how you can create a guaranteed regular income in retirement. Well, by the end of this video, I will provide some insightful information about annuities and how they work and whether they fit into your overall situation. My name is Rick Goldring, the Bay West Group, and for the most insightful information on wealth and risk management planning with regard to business owners, including doctors and dentists, subscribe to the Goldring Financial Leadership channel and hit the notifications bell to be notified when we upload new videos. There are many risks to address and plan for as we get close to retirement and when we enter retirement. And one of the issues we have to deal with is a legitimate risk is volatile financial markets. We know what happened in 08, 09. We know what happened right after the start of the pandemic. And we know that markets can go charging back up, but they can go down as easily as they can go up. So we need to be aware of that in the structure that we're planning for. We need to be aware that currently interest rates are at all-time lows. And guaranteed investment certificates and bonds have never been paying lower interest rates than they are now, which can have a significant impact on retirement income. Inflation is a significant challenge in retirement. Even a 2% inflation rate over 18 years cuts your purchasing power by 25%. We also need to worry about taxes. And with the ever increasing impact on taxes because of COVID-19 and other reasons, we have to be aware of the impact of taxes. And when we're planning our income, we want to make sure it's tax efficient as possible. And another risk we have to be aware of is the risk of long-term care. Do you know there's a 50% chance that Canadians will need long-term care sometime in our lives? That's a 1 out of 2 chance that we need to make sure we have money to plan for. But the overarching risk that we need to plan for is longevity risk. Canadians are living longer than they've ever lived before. Life expectancies have gone up by about 2 to 2.5 years every decade for the last 50 or 60 years. The life expectancy in Canada in 2020 for somebody age 65 is about 20 years. So men are going to live a little bit less than that and women are going to live a little bit longer. But that's the average life expectancy. Half the people will live longer than those numbers and half the people will live less. But if you look at it this way, if you have a man and a woman, both age 65 and married, there's a 50% chance that one of them will reach age 95 and a 25% chance that one of them will reach age 100. So when you retire at 65, you have potentially 30 to 35 years that you need to plan for as far as retirement income goes. Annuity is a great way to provide a guaranteed income in retirement. Just like people that have retired from being a teacher or a nurse or a elected official, some have guaranteed incomes from their pensions. You can create your own guaranteed income with an annuity. You transfer money to a life insurance company, and that life insurance company, in exchange for your capital, gives you and your spouse an income for as long as either one of you is alive. If you're a man and you're buying annuity on your own, the income is going to be a little less than if you're a female buying annuity on your own, because women do live longer than men. And if you're a married couple and you're both, say, age 65, the life expectancy is greater, so the annuity income would be less than an individual annuity. A prescribed annuity is an annuity that's purchased with non-registered dollars. So money you have inside a registered retirement savings plan could be used for an annuity, but it would just be used for a registered annuity, where money you have outside of your registered retirement savings plan can be used for a prescribed annuity. Prescribed annuities have tremendously favorable tax treatment because only a portion of the income is taxable. Let's look at an example of a married couple, both age 65, to show you how an annuity works. Say this couple has downside from their house and they have $1 million left, or they've sold their business and they like the idea of using $1 million for a prescribed annuity from the business sale. Well, that $1 million in November 2020 will create an income of $47,000 a year. And that income is payable as long as either spouse is alive. Now, the tax advantage to that income is significant. Because of the tremendous tax advantage of a prescribed annuity, out of that $47,000 a year of income, approximately only $12,000 is taxable. And if we look at a 35% tax rate, there's only about $4,000 due in tax. So that $47,000 represents $43,000 after tax in this example. Now, many people ask what happens when both partners die. So say mom and dad both live to past age 90, and they're going to get income as long as either one of them is alive. Well, there's nothing left if they die after age 90. But there is a 25-year guarantee you can put on annuities when you're 65 years of age. And what the guarantee means is this. Say that both mom and dad die in a common disaster after 5 years, there'd be 20 years of income left in that 25-year guarantee. What happens is the insurance company commutes the value of that 20 years of future income, they commute it to a present value, and they pay it out to your named beneficiaries, your children, or your estate. Prescribed annuities provide predictable, guaranteed monthly tax-preferred income that you can never outlive. And it really helps cover off those regular expenses that you don't have to worry about covering off if you've got that guaranteed income coming in from the annuity. To find out about other unique strategies with regard to wealth and risk management that can help you maximize your wealth, maximize your income while minimizing tax and risk, I encourage you to go to the link below and go to my masterclass where I provide much detail about 5 unique strategies that will do just that. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, share it with a friend, and for the most complete information on wealth and risk management strategies for business owners, including doctors and dentists, I encourage you to subscribe to the Goldring Financial Leadership channel. Thanks for tuning in.